Welcome to the future. My name is Jack, and I'm the founder and creator of an AI-powered web app for optimization called BizRise.io. Let me share a little bit about my journey. I'm from Colorado, and I was absolutely tired of sitting in rush hour traffic every day, going to the office, planning ahead, checking traffic. It was just something that I didn't want to do anymore when we had our third baby. So I made a decision. I was going to start looking into e-commerce in whatever way I could that would provide me with the ability to have more time, money, and freedom to spend with my family. Now, they are not kidding when they say entrepreneurship looks like a roller coaster, takes many turns, and you don't end up where you think you're going to be when you first started the process. Now, along my journey, I've learned a few things. But the most important thing I've learned is to start. The second thing I've learned is to work with people, reach out, and engage communities. And most importantly, what I've learned is you can do this. Now, every day isn't going to go perfect, and there's going to be some along the road. Like any new business or new venture, it's going to take some time to get its legs and stand up. But good news for you, I'm going to save you a ton of time on doing that because you don't have to make the mistakes I made along the way to find a path to digital entrepreneurship. So if you're looking for a way to create more time, money, and freedom in your life, join the AI Factory today, see what's possible, and most importantly, just start. Welcome to the AI Factory. Again, my name is Jack, and we're glad to have you here. Say hi to the community and take a look around.